Hi, my name is David and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about TEDS Woodworking before actually buying the product TEDS plan. I have some important alerts to share with you, so stay until at the end of this video because I'll tell you everything about TEDS Woodworking plans. The first thing you need to know before deciding to buy TEDS Woodworking is to be careful about the website you buy it from, because TEDS Woodworking is only sold on the official website, and to help you I've left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. TEDS Woodworking Plans is a digital collection of woodworking plans created by Ted McGrath, a professional with years of experience. TEDS Woodworking is a digital package that offers a vast collection of woodworking plans. The main aim of this product is to teach you how to carry out woodworking projects in a fraction of the time, even if you're a complete beginner. TEDS Woodworking Plans is one of the most complete programs available on the market, with no less than 16,000 different projects. That's right, 16,000. Each of these TEDS plans comes with a variety of woodworking details that make the building process easier. Let's take a look at what you'll get in TEDS Detailed Woodworking Plan, with step-by-step instructions for each project to guide you to the perfect project. In addition to TEDS plans, you'll also receive templates and lists of materials and cuts needed to complete each woodworking project, eliminating any doubts about what you need to buy or how to proceed. Woodworking tutorials and classes. TEDS Woodworking not only provides plans but also includes woodworking tutorials and classes that will provide detailed information about each woodworking project. The biggest advantage of TEDS Woodworking is that you will be able to learn at your own pace, get a list of materials and tools to build your project without worrying about what you will need to use to complete your woodworking project. With TEDS Woodworking Plans, you won't be pressured to complete a project within a certain time frame but will instead work at your own pace and comfort. You'll be able to access TEDS Woodworking Plans and all tutorials whenever it's convenient for you, making it perfect for those who are short on time or who like to take some time off from their work. TEDS Woodworking is more than just a woodworking plan, and TEDS Woodworking Plans are complete woodworking plans that can turn anyone into a skilled craftsman. With 16,000 different projects and a variety of helpful resources, TEDS Woodworking Plans provide everything you need to start creating and successfully completing every woodworking project. If you're looking for a way to save time and money, get TEDS Woodworking Plans today and transform every space in your home, yard, and beautiful landscape. Click the link below and access TEDS Woodworking Plan today to learn new skills and produce beautiful, quality woodwork. TEDS Woodworking is without a doubt an excellent investment that will give you the best furnitures and beautiful space in your home.